Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Dennison. Today we are going to tackle emptying out this fridge. I decided to cut all the audio out, do a voiceover, because my phone does this weird noise when I tried recording all this talking. That's what it sounded like. You could not hear me. The funny thing is, I just showed you our egg carton. Well, my husband put that in the dishwasher and it shrunk. He has this obsession with putting things in the dishwasher and hoping that it doesn't melt. It's quite hilarious. This is a picture of the dog water dish that he stuck in the dishwasher last time. It's annoying sometimes. I kind of find it funny. I was like, what the heck did you do to my egg carton? It's all wonky. It doesn't even sit straight. So I thought that was hilarious. We're going to empty this fridge. Then we are going to create a special place for my son who has severe allergies. Label a shelf for him of his safe foods so family and friends know what they can give him. That shelf is just for him. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Have a great one.